In today's video, I'll show you how to make myself administrator on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So to make your standard account administrator, at first what you need to do is you must have access to the administrator account once. So you need to sign up with the administrator account, and after that what you need to do in the administrator account is go to search, open up control panel, then just go ahead and go in control panel, make sure view by set to large icons, then just go to user accounts. And after you're in user accounts, just go to manage another account. As you can see, I have another account, Decalipert. This is my account. It is a standard account. It's not an administrator, so I need to make it administrator. And as you can see, this other account is administrator, so I'm currently in it. So now to make my Decalipert account, which is my account administrator, I'll need to just click on it. And then I'll just need to click on change account type. So just click on this. As you can see, it says standard. I need to set administrator. This will give all the administrator privileges and make them able to change any settings and access of files and programs stored on my PC. So if I'm sure about it, I'll just click on change account type. Then if I go to manage accounts, I can see both the accounts are administrator now. And basically, that is how to make myself administrator in Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.